Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and if you're looking to have an insulated cooler that's easy to carry for the beach and just every outdoor activity, then check out this backpack cooler from TOURIT. Of course, what makes this cooler unique is that it is indeed a backpack. That way, when you need to carry things like to the beach, the cooler is right on your back, and then you have all your arms free to carry your beach bags, your blankets, every other thing that you need. It is really nicely insulated. I went to a beach day. We were there in the sun for about 5 hours and we were traveling for 3 hours. We got like 7 hours and it's kept my water and my cans cool and cold the entire time. What makes this really sleek is all the different compartments it has. So it has a lot of different zippers and areas to help keep everything separated. So it has the one on top. Maybe you got some easy accessible snacks. Then you have 2 in the front. As you can see, there's also different areas within the pockets to help keep things separated. And then you have on the side, you even have where you can keep a water bottle of a larger size or even a can. Then it has a secret compartment right here on the strap, maybe to keep like your keys or different things that you don't want to get lost within the bag. A bonus is that it has a bottle opener built right in on the strap, so you never have to remember about bringing one or losing one. This backpack is really durable. It's very thick. The material is sturdy. Also, I love how cushioned the straps are. That way, when you're carrying, like if you wanted to stick those 30 cans in there, when you're carrying it, it helps alleviate some of the pressure. If you're looking to get a cooler to enjoy outdoor activities, then this one is a must because it is a backpack cooler, which makes it super easy to carry around with you. It's large, it's sturdy, it has good material, and it helps you keep everything cool, but being able to carry it in a very easy way. But that's just my point of view.